This is an audacious journey to save the world nation, to save the life of masses in the north, south and east. This is an adventurous journey to conquer insecurity and ensure security. We should ask ourselves, who deserves for our vote? If the person we want to vote for deserves our vote, is he capable of leading us? Is he educated enough? Who is he, the person we shall cast our vote for? This person is more than just a politician. He is humble and noble. He is charismatic and patriotic. He is bold and valiant. And no doubt this is an audacious attempt to break light and defeat darkness. Let us march together and vote for Dr. Rabi Musa Kwankwaso under NNPP, New Nigerians People Party. And no doubt having a Musa as our president is a feather in our cap. Let us come together and save our nation.